Hey guys! In today's lesson, we will be learning about the future tense. The future tense is used to talk about something happening in the future. To do this, you can use will and going to. Will is used when you make a plan to do something and you might change your mind. For example, I will go to the movies. To make the sentence negative, you can add not to the sentence. For example, I will not study today. Going to is used when you have decided on your plans and you won't change your mind. For example, I'm going to move to Italy. You can also make questions using will and going to. You use will when you make the decision quickly. Will plus the subject. Will you go to Rome? Yeah, of course. I can't wait. You use going to when you've made the decision before. Be plus going to. Are you going to work the whole summer? No, I'm going to take a few days off and go hiking. Good job, guys!